girls. Go that way, girls. This way, girls. This way. This way, girls. That way, girls. Good. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. You can do it. There you go. Nice job. Go that way. This way, girls. This way. Right out there, girls. Right out there. Good girls. And next to the boy. Higher level. We gotta get a real flat. This way, girls. This way. Turn the outfield.
Look at these base runners. These are some great base runners.
Come on, this way, girls. Over here.
Keep running. Keep running.
Third base is here.
These are some great base
Oh,
runners.
oh, oh, oh. Come here. Third base.
Make sure you get a high five of Brett Gardner. That's a big moment.
This way, girls. Third base is here, girls.
Anybody ever ask you, did you ever meet a New York Yankee star? You can say, not only did I meet Brett Gardner, I got a high five.
Right here, girls. Be careful. Be careful. This way, girls. Right here, girls. Right here.
Oh, this is a good base runner right here. Big smile coming down. Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
There you go, girls. This way, ladies.
Oh,
Girls,
looks like she's there.
third base right here.